Gecko fell down.
Gecko fell down. Oh no. What are we going to do? There we go. He had his tail caught. Can we have a look at Gecko, please? Thank you. What colour's Gecko? What colour's Gecko?
Dean. Put the Dean towel in the Dean. Put the blue in the blue. Put the red in the red. And put the Dean in the Dean.
That's a good idea. Okay, so can you get the green car and put green Gecko in the car? Oh, thank you. So here's the green car. And we've put Gecko in. Look at that lovely green car, Marley.
Oh no, the red dogs.
I don't think they're gups.
Yes, it's falling.
There we go. We're doing the red now. So can we have a look at Owlette? Where's Owlette? We'll have a look at...
This doesn't save Owlette.
Oh, Gecko's going to save Owlette. Oh, very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Gecko. And here's Owlette. And what colour's Owlette, Marley?
Red.
Red Owlette. So which car should we put Owlette in? Which is the red car?
He's on this seat.
I think Owlette might be a she.
He's on the red seat.
Here we go. We'll put Owlette in the red seat. There we go, Owlette. Looking fantastic. And who have we got left? Who have we got left?
What?
We've already done the green. So we've already done the green Gecko and the red Owlette. Who have we got left?
Help! Catboy's falling.
Oh, Catboy's falling. Who's going to save Catboy? Whoa, it's Gecko. Oh, so Catboy got a ride back in the Gecko mobile. Can we have a look? Thank you. So here's Catboy and Marley. What colour's Catboy?
Blue.
Blue. Which is the blue car we can put Catboy in?
In here.
In this one? Whoa, let's have a look at this magnificent car.
And the baby forward. And the baby car forward.
The baby car's falling. Oh no.
No, it's forward.
Here's Catboy.
Who